Well, here we are, Sunday morning, Lake Mead. Wind's blowing, I think they said 35 knots, 35 to 40 miles an hour. Looks like the ocean out there. It's pretty nasty. We had one of our boats show up this morning. They braved it. He's got a big 27-footer. Whoa. He came from down there, so the wind was behind him and he blew him right down into to our little protected cove here. So as you round this turn, the wind stops, the water is totally blocked, and walk over here, and we're sitting back here, and it's pretty darn quiet. So there's part of the group. There's Mark, Pat, Steve. What do we got? A few boats here today. So we luckily found this place yesterday. Stayed here last night and used it again today. And it turns out we're going to have to stay here one more day after this, because they're saying the same thing's going to happen tomorrow, only the wind's going to shift. So it's going to come from north. This is from the south on this side. So it's pretty nasty. And this is the small portion of the lake. So if we attempted to get through the narrows, that would have been really a bad thing to do. So I may come back early because I got commitments on Saturday and Sunday. Alrighty, I'll take some more video later. Welcome to Lake Mead. Bye.